Welcome dear student. Today we'll continue with lesson disaster management, and this is a part 3 video of this lesson in which we shall learn about a third type of a disaster, that is a landslide. So we have already covered the two types of disaster, that is fire and earthquake. So these two types of disaster we have already covered, and in this lesson, in this video, we'll continue about the landslide. Let's begin. Now, have you heard about Malin mishap in Pune district of Maharashtra? On 31st July 2014, a landslide occurs in the village of Malin in Pune district of Maharashtra, and it was caused by a burst of very heavy rainfall and killed at least 151 people. So heavy rain continued after the landslide also, and making the rescue effort very difficult. And these effects of this landslide were severe, as it caused huge number of deaths, and many of them were also buried in the landslide. Now let us understand what is a landslide. So a landslide is defined as a movement of a mass of rock, debris or earth down a slope. That means landslide is a type of a disaster in which the mass of a rock, that means a heavy piece of a rock, debris or earth come down a slope. This is a landslide. Now we will see what is a collapse of rift. Natural cracks and fissures present in hard rocks. Now here fissure means breaking, or cracks present in hard rocks cause their breaking, and especially at the time of heavy rains, water entering these cracks causes weathering. That means it causes the breaking of these rocks, and weight increases. These rocks slide on the slopy region and settle at the lower side, and this is called as a collapse of rift. So student, we have seen what is a landslide, and this is a collapse of rift. Now next we have is causes of landslide. So let's learn the causes of landslide one by one. So first causes is after effects of a natural disaster. Now natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami or heavy rains, storms, flood causes the landslide. So due to the heavy rain or due to the natural disaster, the heavy mass of a rock or debris come down a slope and causes a landslide. Now next cause is unlimited cutting of trees causes soil erosion. Now here what is a soil erosion? In which the top fertile layer of the soil is carried away by the factors like wind and water. Now here the top layer of the soil is carried away by the wind or water. So this is a soil erosion, and due to the unlimited cutting of trees, the layer also carried away. Okay, so this decreases the fertility of soil also. Now next is while building roads in mountains, there is a lot of digging that makes the mountain weak. Now while building the roads, there is a lot of digging of mountains, and due to which the rocks or debris come down a slope and causes a landslide. So these were the causes of landslide. Now let's understand, or let's learn about the effects of landslide. So let's see one by one. So first we have is rivers are flooded and change their paths. That means rivers are flooded due to the landslide and change their route or their way. Next effect, displacement of waterfalls, formation of artificial water reservoir. Next we have is there is a life and financial loss on a large scale, as trees, buildings, rocks on a slopy area collapse on low-lying land. Now due to the landslide, the houses and buildings, plants, animals and human life also also affected by the landslide. The houses, trees are coming down a slope, and due to there is a life and financial loss occurs or takes place on a very large scale. That means loss of a life and financial loss. Next we have landslide affect the traffic. Now as we know that landslide is a heavy mass of a rock or debris are coming down towards the earth. So due to what happens, it affects the traffic also. Now next is landslide destroy the plant life on it. So with the soil or with the rocks, the plants also coming down a slope. That means there is a total destruction of the plant's life due to what? Due to the landslide. So these all were the effects of landslide. So student, in this video we have seen what is landslide causes and effects of the landslide, and due to the landslide there is a lot of life and financial loss takes place. So these are the very dangerous types of disaster for the ecosystem and for the human life, etc. Okay, so student, here we have finished our this lesson. Next part of the next chapter we will continue in our next session. Thank you.